Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. I'm Jim Weber with your tropical update. We have several areas that we are watching. We have Tropical Storm Paulette. We have Tropical Storm Rene, which has been bringing some heavy rains across the Cabo Verde Islands, but is now moving away. Now, both of these look like they'll increase in a little more intensity over the next several days. Good news is really not expecting them to affect any more land areas. They're going to move out over open waters. We also have another area which is working its way across the western coast of Africa. As that moves out into the Atlantic, computer models really jumping on this one, saying we could see some development with it. So that's an area that we will continue to watch. The other one is to the southwest of Bermuda. We have an area of low pressure. Now, this is going to be drifting towards the north and the northwest over the next several days, and this could develop a little bit more. So we'll watch that one. That's one we'll probably have to watch the most, but at this point, looks like maybe a tropical depression forming, so bringing some rains across the east coast of the U.S. But we will continue to watch that one pretty closely. Here is Tropical Storm Paulette. Winds right now are at 65 miles an hour. Notice the movement of this as we go through the next several days, just moving out over open waters, could become a hurricane. It has been dealing with some wind shear, but despite that wind shear, it's actually been getting a little bit more organized and showing a little bit more or a little stronger winds than which was originally anticipated with this storm. So even if it become a hurricane, not a big deal. It's moving out over open waters. Tropical Storm Rene, winds right now are at 40 miles an hour. It's moving to the west at 14 miles an hour. And this one looks like it is going to take a hard right turn and eventually head over northern Atlantic waters and eventually dissipate. But at least for the next several days, this one looks like it'll be moving over just open waters and quite likely to become Hurricane Rene as we head into the middle of the week. Other than that, not much going on, but certainly this is a very active time of the year where we see a lot of systems developing. The good news is the vast majority of this is staying out over open waters.